How to find your Discord ID on mobile. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can find our Discord ID on mobile. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Discord application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once on your home page, navigate to your profile icon that says You from the bottom right corner. From your profile page, tap on the settings icon from the top right corner. Here, scroll down and under app settings, tap on advanced. So under advanced, make sure that you have turned on the toggle that says developer mode. If not, tap on it, and once it is turned on, go back to your home page. Now once on your home page, go to your messages by tapping on the message icon from the top left corner. Now you have to open up the conversation with any account right here. Then tap on the profile name. Now under this page, there you will be able to find two members including you and the account or on the next account. Now if you want to find your ID, tap on your profile name. From here, tap on three dots icon. And then you can simply tap on copy user ID. So that's your Discord ID. If you would like to find your friend's user ID, tap on your friend's name and then tap on three dots from the top right corner and then tap on copy user ID. So that's your friend user ID on Discord. And that's how you can find Discord ID on mobile. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.